So today we are going to take you to the productivity module 2, and that is 5S, basics of 5S, without which no organization can get into lean manufacturing. It is the basic foundation of any improvement action. So this particular module will be taken up by my colleague, Mr. Onkar Kulkarni. I would like to give you a briefing about how did this 5S really start. Is it something really important, or it is because they are all around? So the agenda of today is shop floor efficiency and 5S, principles of 5S, physical and functional 5S, zones, subzones, 5S, some examples, FIFO, clean, clear, count free, that is nothing but 3C. How do you conduct 5S assessment, and office 5S. So Omkar will take you through these concepts and how do you really go for practical conceptualization and implementation also. And then I will be talking to you about some of the 5S prelude. How did it start really? So if you think about 5S as a natural evolution, you must see 5S as a natural evolution. There is nothing Greek about it, in a sense that these Japanese words, Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke, what they mean, that Omkar is going to explain to you, and on day one also we had given you that these are nothing but basically the segregation, systematic arrangement, then your shining, standardization, self-disciplining. Some persons tell it sustain also. So as you see, the first letter of each S actually are 5 S's. And how this particular concept came into being. If you see from Vedic age, for a very long time, for thousands of years, men, women, human being as a whole has been practicing some of the basic systematic arrangement in their day-to-day life. We have seen that even in Santhal Pargana, where the tribals live, there also we have seen 5S being implemented. In our kitchens, we are able to see the reflection of 5S implementation. As I said that day, that 5S can be seen even in a local pawn shop. Pawn shop may be aapko dikhega 5S. And I want to take you through one Japanese concept जो बहुत important है आपको समझने के लिए, and that is Genba Kanri through 5S BCS. तो मैं आपको बताता हूं कि ये गेनबा वर्ड जो हम नॉर्मली वी कीप रेफरिंग इट एज वर्क प्लेस, इनमें दो शब्द है, एक है गेन, अदर इज बा. गेन का मतलब है फैक्ट या तो रियलिटी, और बा का मतलब होता है स्पेस. यानी कि आप बोल सकते हो कि ये जो स्पेस, जो जगह जहां पर गेन या तो फैक्ट्स दिखता है, रियलिटी दिखता है, जैसे कि आपका शॉप फ्लोर, योर शॉप फ्लोर इज, यू कैन से दैट इज अ गेनबा. योर ऑफिस, यू कैन से ऑफिस इज अ गेनबा. एंड व्हाट इज कानरी? कान का मतलब होता है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, कंट्रोल. री का मतलब होता है नेचुरल वे. यानी कि गेनबा कानरी का मतलब होता है ये वो जगह जहां पर रियलिटी या तो फैक्ट दिखता है और जहां हम लोग कंट्रोल करते हैं इन द नेचुरल वे और द री वे. और ये 5S जो है, ये 5S पूरा का पूरा गेनबा कंट्री है थ्रू VCS यानी विजुअल कंट्रोल सिस्टम, जो ओंकार आपको समझाएंगे कि कैसे 1S 2S 3S ये वगैरह सब कुछ आप जब 5S इंप्लीमेंट करोगे शॉप फ्लोर, वो सब आंखों के सामने दिखता है. इसको कहते हैं मीरू मीरू, यानी CC मैनेजमेंट. सामने दिखता है, खास कुछ ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग का बात नहीं है, जो आंखों देखी किया जाता है. नाउ लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू द बेसिक ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड its anatomy of the human body and its relation to 5S. जैसे आप जानते हो कि in our body it is a fantastic mechanism actually to explain 5S, that we don't have to do red tag campaign in our body every day. Because if you are able to maintain your daily system of intake, output, cleaning, etc., then you don't need any red tag campaign. Please keep your mic in the mute mode, please. Yeah. So in 1S, यानी कि जहां पर हम बात करते हैं about segregation, what is unnecessary, what is necessary. So in that, we adopt basically initially a red tag campaign by which we separate out the necessary and unnecessary item. Now, how does these red items come? They should not come. If you are doing your housekeeping properly, these red items should not really be coming if your systems are proper. But in our body also it comes. Like suppose you are giving intake, your body is receiving some food which are not digestible properly, or it is detrimental. It is detrimental to your physical system. Then it gets deposited in the form of stone in the kidneys or in the gallbladder, and which through surgery you basically do 1S or separating it out. So you can call the surgery as basically a red tag campaign. Now comes to 2S, yani systematic arrangement. I don't think you have seen anything in this world other than the organic bodies, where you see all the body parts, whether it is a lung, blood vessel, stomach, intestines, etc. They are so nicely located, interconnected, and they talk to each other in such a wonderful way that is the most optimum. Even if you see outside the body and if you see inside the body, the whole body mechanism actually is a fantastic example of 2S. Then come to 3S. 3S is nothing but where we are talking about shining. That is nothing but your daily day-to-day maintenance. In shop floor, you will be doing that in the form of a operator maintenance, etc. In our human body, what we do is that we brush our teeth, we do regular intake of water, and by that we are flushing the systems. And you are taking also a physical bath by which you are cleaning the outside of the body also. That is a fantastic example of how to do the 3S of the human body. Now comes to 4S. 4S is nothing but standardization. So over a period of time, you establish a time at which you get up, that is awakening time, a time at which you retire to the bed, आप सोने के लिए जाते हो, एक टाइम जहां पर आप खाने के लिए जाते हो, लंच करते हो या ब्रेकफास्ट करते हो या तो आपका डिनर करते हो. That is nothing but a part of standardization. And if you are able to do this in a systematic manner, in a cleanly way, and in a standardized way, it will be called a self-disciplined human being. So in that case, you will not be able to really, there will not be any requirement to do any surgery, or your body will last for the desired lifetime for which it has been designed. I thought that I'll just tell you, if 5 years, asman se tapak ke nahi gira, it is a very natural process, and human being basically from the age-old time are used to these 5 years.